Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you decide if you're buying a diamond or a rock. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a battle between two heavyweights, the Bissell Steam Mop and the TVD Steam Cleaner. Who will come out on top in this cleaning showdown? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell Steam Mop is a wallet-friendly $102, while the TVD Steam Cleaner is flexing its muscles at $179. Reviewers appreciate the Bissell for its reasonable price, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. In contrast, while the TVD is pricier, many users feel that its versatility and array of accessories justify the investment. If you're on a budget, Bissell might be your best friend, but if you're ready to splurge, the TVD is like that rich uncle you never knew you had. Next up is cleaning power. The Bissell Steam Mop promises to sanitize your hard floors and eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which many reviewers find effective for their homes, especially with kids and pets. Meanwhile, the TVD Steam Cleaner is all about high-pressure steam, ideal for tackling tough stains and grime, as highlighted by contractor reviews praising its ability to remove wallpaper and clean tile grout. So, if you need a quick clean, Bissell is great. But if you're facing a cleaning challenge, TVD might be your go-to. Now, let's check out the tank capacity. The Bissell has a decent water tank, but the TVD is packing a whopping 52 ounces tank. Reviewers have noted that the larger tank of the TVD allows for longer cleaning sessions without interruptions, making it ideal for extensive cleaning tasks. In contrast, with the Bissell, you might need a hydration break halfway through. So, if you're planning a cleaning marathon, the TVD might be your marathon partner, while Bissell is more like that friend who always wants to take breaks. When it comes to versatility, the Bissell is great for hard floors, but the TVD is like the Swiss Army knife of steam cleaner. Reviewers rave about TVD's ability to tackle everything from floors to toilets and even delicate windows. The Bissell, while effective, is more focused on floor cleaning, which some users appreciate for its simplicity. If you want a one-trick pony, Bissell is your choice. But if you need a multitasker, TVD is ready to take on the world. Accessories? Oh boy, the TVD is rolling deep with 28 accessories. Reviewers love the variety of tools that come with the TVD, making it suitable for various cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, the Bissell comes with a measuring cup, which some find basic compared to the comprehensive kit of the TVD. So if you love accessories and versatility, the TVD is your best bet, while Bissell may appeal to minimalists who prefer simplicity. In summary, the reviews for both products highlight their strengths in different areas. The Bissell Steam Mop is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness on hard floors, while the TVD Steam Cleaner is celebrated for its versatility, powerful cleaning capabilities, and extensive accessories. Each product has its loyal fan base, catering to different cleaning needs and budgets. So who wins this steamy showdown? If you're after a budget-friendly, floor-focused cleaner, the Bissell Steam Mop is your go-to. But if you're ready to drop some cash for versatility and power, the TVD Steam Cleaner is the heavyweight champ. Remember, whether you choose the Bissell or the TVD, the most important part is that you're buying smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.